Divisional Bench of Chief Justice L.K. Mohapatra and Justice N. Koteshwar directs Porompat Police Station to investigate death of Sapam Robin Hood. Chief Minister Ibobi inspects construction of KV 400 power substation in Thawal, asks officials for early completion. Janata Dal United Manipur condemns organizations for holding national highways to ransom to get their demands. And Nisa Thangmaiban Trans Yaifal Lamjing Club Dibong Kuno Jiribam 7-0 to enter pre-quarters of 59cc meet. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Shalabdi Toism with the top stories and latest news at this hour. A divisional bench comprising Chief Justice L.K. Mohapatra and Justice N. Koteshwar of High Court of Manipur has directed the Porompat Police Station to investigate the circumstances that led to the death of Sapam Robin Hood during the ILP agitation. Speaking to media at his office chamber at Uripok Chairap Court Complex, Senior Advocate Khaide Mani said the court instructed officer in charge of Porompat Police Station to take up the FIR lodged by Sapam Ramesh, father of late Sapam Robin Hood, and investigate the case. Khaide Mani added that action can be taken against a personnel involved under Section 154 of CRPC if it was a cognizable offence. Sapam Ramesh expressed the hope that his son will get justice. It may be recalled that Sapam Robin Hood died during ILPS agitation on July 8 this year.
Osi Porompat PSna CRPC Criminal Procedure Court ki section Jamyang Kaimari ki makada investigation chi chatabam thokpa okatam thokpa investigation chabari FIR no alokapun ching mado adu chathagadabani aduda cognizable offense tade aidan hairaba adu organ chu adu hairo tade haragadi karigi tade ma ni shiba ke samu ko cognizable offense tade haragi adu cognizable offense sama tabla tadabra ji police na lecture ane sibaw ki sana lagidaba dagi sibaw ko si tamanga mana hayal ta khangana leiramba polama kogi yam nungaiba sumba wailama phangani haibagi mapa moina kanjai yam nungai je sumba wailama kogi chagi da sunatana sumba wailama puthokpi rakpase sumba mioidu puthokpi rakani nai khajai.
Chief Minister Okram Ibobi Singh today inspected the site where construction work for KV 400 power substation is going on in Thawal Kuno, near Thawal College. The Chief Minister also oversaw the constructions of retaining wall and drain and asked officials concerned to speed up the work. Mention may be made that once commissioned, the power substation will be the biggest substation in the state. Okram Ibobi was accompanied by Commissioner Power Vinit Joshi, Managing Director Manipur State Power Company Limited and Sarat, Deputy Commissioner Thawal T. Ranjit and Superintendent of Police Thawal K. Radhesham during the visit. Third Foundation Day of Research Institute of Science and Technology RIST Imphal was celebrated today at the Senate Hall, Earth and Science Department, Manipur University. Teachers and students of Manipur University and members of RIST took part in the event. Experts will deliberate on risk factor for nasopharyngeal cancer in Manipur, extreme space weather and present scenario of clinical diagnostics in Manipur during the technical session of the event.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯤꯇ꯭ꯌꯨꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯒ ꯃꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆ ꯇꯧꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯩꯁꯤꯗ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯤꯊꯤꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯞꯇ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯕꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯒꯨꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯏꯟꯁꯅ ꯗꯦꯕꯂꯞꯃꯦꯟꯁꯤꯗꯁꯨ ꯔꯤꯁꯔꯆꯇꯁꯨ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯉꯝꯅꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯊꯥꯡꯖꯔꯤꯕꯅꯤ.
The election of Manipur University Students' Union MUSU was held today. The election, which was scheduled for December 4, was rescheduled after it became contentious after a candidate made allegations against his rival. Sources told Impact News that the Ministry of Human Resource and University Grants Commission (UGC) are closely monitoring the election process and asking for details from the university authority. Polling was held from 11 a.m. at 9 polling booths prepared in the social science block. More than 3,400 students cast their votes to elect a new union. Tight security arrangements were made in the block to ensure free and fair poll. Students were allowed to enter the booths after security personnel verified their IDs. 11 candidates are in the fray vying for the post of 5 secretariats. Representatives of every class of all the departments will also be elected today. Till the time of this reporting, there has been no news of untoward incidents. The results are expected by today. It may be mentioned that this election is the second one after the revival of Musu in 2014. Union Minister of State IC for Power, Coal and New and Renewable Energy, Piyush Goyal, yesterday shared the achievement of electrifying 34 villages in Manipur last week. In his tweet, the Union Minister said 34 villages electrified in Manipur last week. Now they can also enjoy the benefits of electricity. The 34 villages are in Senapati and Ukhrul districts. Janata Dal United Manipur Unit has strongly condemned band or economic blockade by any organization on national highways to get their demands. President of Janata Dal United Manipur Unit, Moirangthem Tombi, today questioned why any organization is holding national highways, which are the lifeline of Manipur, to ransom to press any demand. Speaking to media at his office at Babupara, M. Tombi asked why the government remains silent when the people of the state are suffering due to bunds and blockades. He said the government is aware that the prices of essential commodities hit the sky and people face the scarcity of essential items during bunds and economic blockades. M. Tombi said if the government allows the situation to continue, there will be misunderstanding and disintegration among the different sections of the people. Secretary General of the party, Len Gangte, demanded resignation of Work Minister Dr. K.H. Ratan Kumar on moral ground for his failure to maintain the state highways and other roads in Imphal.
Masi mamang dasu kaya ama thokre adu matung dasu mung tholak yari masai is the state government kaidau leike rules of law lei habise karai da karino masai da praja singi live kanbangam draba sambati kanbangam draba ahing tumdana manipur miyam gi hingnana bagi pot porei ba singdugi malamadi thawai punamak kanbangam drabdi kari dobugi pham paibi doino hawani da.
Khurai Block Congress Committee has condoled the death of former Jila Parishad member Hidam Dorendro. A condolence meeting was held today at the residence of Khurai MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy to condole his death. The meeting observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to the departed soul. MLA Dr. N.G. Bijoy said Dorendro's death is a great loss for Khurai AC and all efforts will be made to continue the works taken by him for the development of the area.
Minus 37 की मकान कोट तो बना मरा मोइदना चाम की मनुंग दा कुंत्रा टेट कोट तो रदी लुपा हुंपुम दो दिन हो रहे करी सूदोरिनो हाई बसी सेंटर ने खंबी दोना सेंटर ने कैंसल तो बने हाउसिंग अहुम सुबह वो इन टेंडर तो दोरी PMJSY दा मसले दा रेस्टार तो भी ठिकादार सिंगना मसागी खुशू नबा मधुकी मशीन लेइतबा ममिंग दा पान लगा स्पेशल कंटेनर ने पनबा कैमरूम लेरी मखोई सिंगसी थाबी गनु Tabak Son Jaroy, Habazi Khurai Development Committee ki wareb ni.
All Manipur Working Journalists Union has strongly condemned the brutal assault of 2 West Bengal-based journalists Prasenjit Saha and Kalyan Mondal. Dainik Juga Sangha's journalist Prasenjit Saha and another journalist Kalyan Mondal were brutally assaulted by some local goons on Friday when they went to collect news in South 24 Paraganas under Basanti Police Station, West Bengal. Their mobiles and cameras were snatched by the culprits. They were kept captive until police force from Basanti Police Station rescued them. Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur, ICHM, today termed the Manipur's government's inability to resolve the Chuchanpur stalemate as unfortunate. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club, ICHM General Secretary Nga Chonmi Ramsang said the Chief Minister is short of breaking the Chuchanpur deadlock as soon as possible when ICHM held talks with the Chief Minister on November 1. However, nothing has been done by the government. He questioned if the government has no interest in resolving the issue. maintaining that the JAC has already resolved not to celebrate Christmas unless the funeral of the 9 dead are performed. Nganchonmi appealed to the government to bring a solution at the best possible time.
Manipur community mayam lairibasi yamna tense wangi tension lay Chorjambugi sigi problem sida yamna solution purakningi mayamna government interest low dabara some individuals cabinet chief minister deputy chief minister or some concerned ministers singna interest low dabara have issue question lai every community have a customary right lay government changa ga matin panga ga customary do pangtho piradi khitang respect honor pibi re badaradi
El Paumai, 23 years from Kabung Karong village, Senapati district, who went missing, was found dead in Bhubaneswar in Odisha. President of Paumai Students Union, Bangalore, received a call on December 3 evening that El Paumai had died and was asked to claim the dead body from Capital Hospital, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. El Paumai boarded Dibrugarh Bangalore City Express at Dimapur on November 27 night and he was going to Bangalore. He made a distress call to his family in Manipur around 3 p.m. on November 29, complaining that 5 persons had threatened him. He last spoke to his elder brother Stephen at 4:45 p.m. on November 29. He told him that he was not even allowed to move by the gang of 5 people and his mobile phone was switched off thereafter. Women Action for Development Ward expressed concerns over the failure to investigate the murder case of a 10-year-old mute girl from Chandonpokpi under Kumbi police station. The matter came to light when a team of ward led by its secretary Sobita Mangsatabam during a visit to the victim's house. Sobita said Laishram Sumila, daughter of El Amutombi, was found dead under a culvert in the locality 10 days after she went missing on January 22, 2014.
अकोइना सुमिलागी केस अकोइ तुमिना तो ओइ मासी हेक मागी सुमिला खक्ते युवानते मयाम सु तौर अदु मागी केस अकोइ खुमांग मोंग चादबा दुगा पुलिस न चथरकलिबा थवोंग इवन फोरेंसिक की रिपोर्ट के नचिंग मयाम सिंग से पेरेंट्सिंग विक्टिम फैमिली अमादि जेसिस न सुयाम कन वान होनर पसि फंगनदबने अदु हंदा खक्तंग रिपोर्ट तो फांगे अंगांग जे सेक्सुअल असोल्ट यावरे मी हात पसि पुथोकटी फावदि अकोइ सु लेप लैतना मासी पोचे हंजल हंजन पुथोकनी अदु कंसर्न पुलिस स्टेशन सिंग मदु इन्वॉल्व तौगिबा मयाम से याम फजना मखोइदसु investigation chathaba mathau tabra ai thamning.
This year's Seram Mangi Memorial Award for Social Activists will be given to Lehau Thabam Sarat Chandra Sharma from Kasampat, Laisom, Lera. 3-day observance of International Day of Person with Disabilities organized by Spastic Society of Manipur and National Institute for Empowerment of Persons with Multiple Disabilities Extension Center Manipur on the theme Inclusion Matters, Access and Empowerment of People of All Disabilities concluded today at Manipur Dramatic Union. State Olympic 2015 was also held as a part of the observance where differently abled persons showcased their talent in 34 different disciplines including embroidery, carpentry and painting. Differently abled persons also presented a musical program and participants at the event had a lunch together on the concluding day.
Ministry of Skill Development kano oina bo hangora bani ministry ama oina aduna akogi disabled sing disu hana sangna training program chalam bakolam badu adu aga atien matam da training piraga makoi bo income generate tawba ngamna ba income generate activities me am training karoga do gi so akoi focus tawjani aduna akoi accessibility se yamna maru oi aduna mayam gi sensitive oi bam sangi support am sangi.
World Soil Day was observed today in Manipur too. College of Agriculture, Central Agriculture University observed the day at Haurang Kairel Awangleikai Community Hall in Imphal West. Staff and students of Central Agriculture University and farmers took part in the event. Mention may be made that 68th General Assembly session of United States held on December 20, 2013 adopted December 5 as World Soil Day and the year 2015 as International Year of Soil. Soil health card, which keeps the details of the soil, was also distributed to the farmers of 7 villages adopted by CAU. Speaking on the occasion, Dean CAU Professor Dr. J.M. Laishram said soil health card to be distributed to 80 selected farmers from each adopted village will help in increasing the agricultural yield.
Single lamda, masi soilless, soil yaudere, the how yaudu ching mapungai. Karidagino habeda, I could not kupsen senator. I could village the deriva, district is the Putoiva, Lopon Yingo Madamda, Toman may out the Jiva Mayaking say, Masi Amata can be Yakanamba, Adum, Toman Tomanba, I could fertilizer Mayam Hape. Urea Nakasaiba, phosphorus Yahundaba, potassium Yahundaba, and micronutrient Yahundaba the gay, Lobuk like how Mankidana, Lobuk to Nu Ore Haigum. Pambi Yamana, Amatharumatans, the Pambi Duna, Rebak Lehau to the Gilehau Care Putui, Hana Care Jeremy, Magi Mahimaro Putopoda, Chakrabage had the share, Masi Equinity and Fort Patai.
World Soil Day was also celebrated at KVK Imphal West, ICAR in Manipur Center, Lamphel Park. MP Dr. T.H. Mainia, DC Imphal West, Ningthaujam Geoffrey and Dr. I. Meghachandra, Principal Scientist C-Tech, ICAR Manipur Center were among those who attended the event. In his speech, Dr. Mainia said people should be made aware of the importance of soil, and the idea to observe a Soil Day was initiated by the King of Thailand. World Soil Day was also observed by Krishi Vigyan Kendra Senapati under the aegis of Kishan Sammelan at IT Campus Hengbung in Senapati District. Autonomous District Council Senapati Chairman M.L. Marksand, who attended the function, released soil health card and distributed to about 250 farmers who took part in the function.
Low Gitabataway, Hengbung Gitabataway, Hanak Dungai the show, Puchel Pikuno, Mashi. Yamna honor tauningai thabaka mani agriculture asumda akhoina kaya phoba mateng pamba ngamgidra habasi chu ekoi honagani hojiki kvk asichu asidigi henna improve hoina ba honabio thabak phajana subio aduga ekhoi Senapati district Sadar Hill district asida ekhoi atai topa district digidi ekhoi yamna progress leiba district ama wahanna ba every field honaba project Habama Wahanbio.
Second Barak Festival 2015 will be held from 10th to 13th of this month at Mini Stadium Ground, District Headquarters, Senapati. Speaking to media persons at NPO office at Senapati, Naga People's Organizations NPO, Senapati District President T. Kamba Moses announced the celebration of the festival with an aim to save the river. He also said the festival was introduced in 2013 to celebrate a common festival for the district.
Say when 5 tribes doesn't have any common platform to come together. Adugi 5 tribes lagminaraga tribe mga webina. Masa ki culture suka tungan mlay koi doid me naga ko tribe tungan mena duna exchange of like cultural item gumna main point aduna ma, and second point is to preserve different tribes ki traditional custom to preserve tauningai.
Now news from the world of sports. North Imphal Sporting Association, Nisa Thangmaiban have reached the pre-quarters of the 59th Sir Churchan Singh KCSI CBE Memorial Football Tournament. North Imphal Sporting Association, Thangmaiban trounced Yaifa Lamjing Club Dibong Khunau Jiribam 7-0 in the 5th match of the tournament today at Imphal Polo Ground. They will lock horns with Southern Sporting Union Singjamai in the pre-quarters. Nisha's L. Sanatomba scored 5 goals including a hat-trick, while KH Nauton and NG Mahendrajit scored 1 goal each. 21 teams are participating in the tournament organized by All Manipur Football Association on knockout basis. Tidim Road Athletic Union, Kwakethil and Sakulban United will clash in the 6th match tomorrow.
Tawan district winner team amo wari shudagi moina amna big margin moi karapani adu opponent team jagoi respect tawi adu akhoi team na mathangi match da SS bu thoiraga mathangi match so khoina karaga andake koi panthung khogi pamjari ba final lo wai se masi khogi sa thamjai masi ꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯁꯦꯔꯤꯌꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯒꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯏꯝꯄ꯭ꯔꯨꯚꯃꯦꯟꯁꯦ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯅꯣꯡꯃ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯉꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯅꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯊꯪꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯇꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯔꯐꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯁ ꯍꯦꯟꯒꯠꯂꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯂꯩꯖꯩ
Neroka FC defeated Gangtok Himalayan SC in 2nd Division 1 League 2015. In a match played in Gangtok, Neroka FC beat Gangtok Himalaya SC 1-0 in their home ground. The solitary goal for Neroka FC was scored by L. Ronald in injuries time. Neroka FC have won 2 matches and drawn on match in the 1 League tournament. Neroka FC will play against Mohammedan SC West Bengal on the 12th of this month at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium. Arang League Football Tournament 2015 kick-off today at Ukhrul Mini Stadium. UUFC beat Akhok 2-0 in the opening match. 16 teams are taking part in the tournament. Police Land Youth Voluntary Association PLYVA today denounced the mismanagement Sagolban Kendra 7-a-side open football tournament by the organizer and drew the attention of the MLA concerned to intervene in the matter. Representatives of PLYVA claim that the rematch of the first quarter final between PLYVA and MCHCCS Sagolban Moirangler was called off after spectators first used abusive language and later assaulted players of PLYVA after they scored 1 goal. PLVA demanded the organizer Sagolban Mantri Mayum Laikai Voluntary Organization to apologize to them for the unsupporting behaviors.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯣꯜ ꯆꯟꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀ꯭ꯔꯥꯎꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯐꯨꯒꯦ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯀꯝꯃꯨꯅꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯀꯣ ꯋꯥꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯡꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯦꯠꯆꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯗꯅ ꯂꯥꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯒꯦꯝ ꯁ꯭ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯠ ꯄꯤꯖꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯨꯡꯄꯥꯝ ꯄꯥꯝꯗꯦꯕ ꯈꯪꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯅꯠꯇꯕ ꯋꯥꯍꯩ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯥꯝꯄꯦꯟ ꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯜꯂꯛꯄ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯖꯗꯦ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯤꯡ ꯀꯃꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ MLAꯕꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄ꯭ꯂꯦꯌꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯅꯤꯡꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯁꯤꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯡꯂꯤꯕ ꯇꯣꯔꯅꯥꯃꯦꯟ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯆꯪꯕꯤꯔꯒ organize fajana tawbiyu.
First late Sarungbam Biramangol Singh Memorial Non-State Badminton Championship will be held from 18 to 22nd of this month at DM College Indoor Stadium. The tournament is organized by Imphal West District Badminton Association under the aegis of Manipur Badminton Association. Manipur Police Sports Club and Kripsa Nauremthong have won their respective match in the 7th Ampha Senior Women's Football League for BM Singh Trophy. In their match played at Kuman Lampak Artificial Turf Ground, Manipur Police Sports Club trounced Naharol Yaifa Thaurang Club Okram Chutek 11-0, while Kripsa Nauremthong thrashed YWC Langthabal 5-1. ESU Wangkai and YWC Langthabal will meet in the 7th league, while Naharol Yaifa Thaurang Club Okram Chutek will meet Kripsa Nauremthong in the 8th league. Thirteenth Manipur Veteran Cricket Tournament will begin from tomorrow at Langthabal Public Ground. 10 teams will compete in the tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Cricket Association. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Divisional Bench of Chief Justice L.K. Mohapatra and Justice N. Kotishwar directs Porompat Police Station to investigate death of Sapam Robin Hood. Chief Minister Ibobi inspects construction of KV 400 power substation in Thawbal, asks officials for early completion. Janata Dal United Manipur condemns organizations for holding national highways to ransom to get their demands. And Nisa Thamaiban trounced Yaifa Lamjing Club Dibong Khunou, Juribam 7-0 to enter pre-quarters of 59cc league.